All right, so we're gonna talk about what are undefined terms. Undefined terms are terms that are just so simple we don't even really need to define them. And there is three different kinds. Kind number one is a point. A point is simply that, just a point. It's a location in space. There's no length, there's no width, there's no depth. It's just a location in space. Dimensions are zero. There's no dimension, but the way we note it is we call it a letter. We can call this one point A. Now a line has a dimension. The dimension would be length. A line, one dimension, goes on forever. Looks like that. But if we wanted to define the line, we define it by finding 2 points that make up that line, 2 points on that line, A and B. And then we could also name the line. I'll call this one line M. So what do I have? 3 ways to name it. 3. Way number 1 is I can call it line A, B, and since it's a line, not a line segment or a ray, I put a line over the top of it. One way. Another way I can write it is line BA with a line above, or I could simply just call it line M. I have 3 different ways I can choose to write this. Now with a plane, I could also just write line M. Now with a plane is a 2D surface that extends infinitely, going on in all directions. So I'll just draw my 2D surface here. So again, 2 dimensions. We have to notate it by 3 points. 3 points levels it out, so I know where it sits at in space. We're gonna label those points A, B, and C. I'll also call this plane M, but I'm gonna make a capital M. So I can either call it plane A, B, C, or CBA, or BAC, any of those combinations, just the 3 points that are on it. Or I could just call it plane M. So that's it. What are undefined terms? Point, line, and plane, and these are the ways that we can write them. Oh, point A. Cool, thanks, bye.